home is where my heart is still beating, and I don't know when I'll see her again. I hate to see her cry when I'm leaving, but now I'm 1,000 miles away again. And she feels like Carolina, looks like California, shiny like those New York lights on Broadway. And when she looks back, I'm behind her. I'll always be there for her. She makes me feel like home's not so far away. She feels like Carolina. It's hard to understand the way I'm living, and I know she thinks I'm never coming home. But I miss her pretty smile, and I'm coming back in a little while.